Hi, Tom Gandhi, Southern Market Share. Today I want to talk a little bit about Matta and our welding mat. So this is an anti-fatigue mat. It comes in a 20-inch by 20-inch square tile. It is a full inch thick. And what's nice about this product is it's an anti-fatigue mat. We've got compression columns on the bottom of the mat that when you step on it, absorbs the impact, keeps the operator up on top of the surface. But what makes this a great welding mat is the surface is made from recycled PVC. So it is heat resistant up to 800 degrees. So when you weld on this, the welding slack can fall down on it and it does not burn holes in it, does not damage this product at all. Also, what's a little unique about this particular mat interlocking design is the way it interlocks. We've got this interlocking system on the side here, and there's male and female versions of it on the edges and also on the adjoining tiles. And when this mat locks together, it does not come apart. So if we create a small welding cell that's maybe 40 inches by 60 inches, we can roll this mat up so that we can clean underneath it. So to learn more about this product, please reach out to me and we'll be glad to guide you through that process. Thank you and have a wonderful day.